Hello and welcome to this session. Today, we will focus on Learning Outcome 2, understanding common approaches to combining data from different sources. In our data-driven world, being able to integrate data is essential. Data integration allows us to consolidate information from multiple sources to create a clear, unified view, enabling better analysis and decision-making. In this session, we'll explore the common methods used to achieve this and understand why they are so important. A data warehouse is a centralized repository for integrated data. It uses ETL processes to extract, transform, and load data. Data marts are subsets for specific business lines. This approach is essential for business intelligence and historical data analysis. However, it requires significant investment and maintenance. Data lakes store vast amounts of raw data in its native format. They use schema on read methodology. This flexibility supports big data analytics and machine learning. However, they can be complex in terms of data governance. Data lakes are ideal for storing diverse data types. Data virtualization provides a unified view without moving data. It uses virtual tables to integrate data from multiple sources. This approach allows real-time access and simplifies data access. It has lower latency but can be complex to maintain. It's useful for real-time data integration. Federated databases integrate multiple autonomous databases. They use database links and distributed queries. This allows cross-organizational data sharing. Autonomy of individual databases is maintained. Performance issues can arise with distributed queries. APIs enable software applications to communicate and exchange data. RESTful APIs use HTTP requests, while SOAP APIs use XML messaging. They support integration of third-party services. APIs ensure secure data access, but depend on performance and reliability. They're crucial for real-time data exchange. Ensure data quality by maintaining accuracy and consistency. Implement data governance for security and compliance. Design scalable solutions to handle data growth. Optimize performance for efficient data processing. Regularly monitor and maintain the integration system. Combining data provides a comprehensive view for analysis. It helps generate meaningful insights. For instance, integrating sales data can reveal global trends. This holistic perspective is crucial for data-driven decision-making. A unified view enhances the depth of analysis. Integrated data supports informed decision-making. A complete data picture aids strategic decisions. For example, integrating sales and supply chain data improves inventory management. Access to comprehensive data enables better operational choices. Decision-making becomes more precise and effective. Data integration standardizes and cleans data. This improves quality and consistency. Discrepancies can be identified and resolved. For example, integrating customer data ensures teams have up-to-date information. Standardization enhances reliability across departments. Combining data simplifies management by reducing complexity. It streamlines processes and eases data access. For instance, consolidating sources into a warehouse aids retrieval. This efficiency reduces time and effort. Simplified management leads to faster analysis. Data integration is vital for business intelligence systems. It enables dashboards and reports for actionable insights. Real-time decision-making is facilitated. For example, integrating finance and sales data provides a full performance view. Business intelligence relies on comprehensive data integration. Combining data optimizes workflows and boosts efficiency. Integrated data automates processes and reduces manual effort. It enhances productivity and streamlines operations. For example, integrating logistics and sales data aids supply chain management. Efficiency gains lead to competitive advantages. Effective data integration provides a competitive edge. Access to integrated data allows rapid market response. Companies can adapt to changes and customer needs. For instance, analyzing market trends helps refine strategies. Integration supports agility and informed decision-making. Data integration aids compliance and risk management. It ensures all necessary data is available for monitoring. Financial institutions can track transactions for suspicious activities. Integration supports regulatory requirements. Effective data management reduces risks. Combining data from different sources is essential for analysis and decision-making. Various approaches offer unique advantages and suit different needs. Understanding these methods enhances data integration capabilities. Horizontal appending adds rows, while vertical appending adds columns. Horizontal merges require the same column structure. Vertical merges require a common key. These methods enrich data and enhance analysis. Mastering them supports cohesive data integration. In conclusion, understanding the difference between horizontal and vertical appending is essential for efficient data integration. Horizontal appending expands datasets by adding rows, while vertical appending enhances them by adding columns. Mastering these techniques enables more comprehensive data analysis and supports well-informed decision-making. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. We look forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.